Hi, this is Erica, and this is the video for the final. Um, okay, so this is how I start. I import requests and I import URL lib. And here I have the link with the website I want to get the information from. So this will get the URL and access the real-time data and the GPS tracking of the City of Chicago public transportation. And right here is the file, creating the file, right? With the information that I'm getting there. So to find all the buses traveling northbound of Dave's office, this is the information of Dave's office, the longitude and the latitude for Dave's office. All right, so I have to parse the text file that I open here with the information from the website back there. And this will let me know all the buses ID and latitude for all the buses on Route 22 available at this time. So Route 22 is all the buses I'm getting from the link from the beginning. All right. So these are the buses I'm interested on. When I run this code, you will see that I first have all the buses running on Route 22. And underneath, I have all the buses that are going north of Dave's office, which is the ones that I want to track, right? So, okay, this for loop will give me all the buses running on Route 22. Oh, let me just open this a little bit more. Okay. This definition of distance will calculate the miles distance from the office for the buses head north. And this right here, this definition, the monitor definition, will give me the buses running north of Dave's office and will give me how many miles away are how close or how far away they are from Dave's office. So this is a for loop that will get me the buses. First will give me the buses running north of Dave's office, and then we'll print how many miles away they are. So this will get the information calculated here and print how many miles away from Dave's office they are. For the extra credit, I tried to pin a map to track the buses, but I'm not sure how to link this all together. And I'm not sure how to use your key. So once I access the website to get the API information, it wants to create me a new key, which is not the problem, but I don't really know how to put that information down here. I know I have to import the web browser and open, but I don't know how to go from there. So I guess I'm skipping the extra credit. Here I import time, and I have this kind of like every 1 minute it will be updating how many miles, the mile situation, and it will also let me know if there's a new bus running in that direction that I want to. And right here it's just saving the information. If there's any new information, we'll do an addend to the out data CSV file. Alright, I'm gonna run this now so you can see. So right now it's 11:12 in the morning. These are all the buses available on Route 22. This is the only bus at this moment that is headed north of Dave's office. And I'm gonna give it a minute so you can see it's gonna update. See how it updated? Which means that the miles haven't changed, so this bus at the moment is parked somewhere. It's not moving. I want to give it another minute to see if I can get another bus and go in this direction. Alright, so here I have the same bus. This is the ID, the latitude, the ID, which is the same, and the miles distance, okay? So here I have a new bus headed in that direction. This is the latitude. This is how many miles away it's from the office. So I would assume it's really, really close from the office, okay? This is the same I was tracking back there. Still not moving. It's parked in the same place. So once you run this code, you will see that this keeps changing as the buses keep changing. So this way you can track the bus. You can know how far away it is, if it's going in this direction, if it's going away from this direction. I think that's what you're asking for. I hope so. And I hope this works for you. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate your help through the semester. Oh, here. Let's see, still not moving. And this is, I would assume, moving away from the office, so it has already passed the office. All right, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.